Okay, babe, it's gonna kill me. But I don't really care right now.
Have a good time, and I certainly so appreciate that. Whatever they do, hey, I'll get through it, and it'll be a fun night. Let's get the Slugers. We get the Sluger. Like Sluger. Ever heard of Sluger? No. That's perfect for the party. Let's get this party. Bring us on the loose. What would be fun for you? On the loose. Loose on the loose. Loose on the loose. Loose on the loose. Loose on the loose.
That's what Xanax does to you when you don't take them daily. What's up, E.T.? Say hi. God bless you, baby. Say hi. Say hi. The camera loves you.
Sneaky.
Besitos.
You're sneaky one, babe.
Baby sounded like a grizzly bear.
Hmm.
You have some great memories, though.
You need to go brush your grill.
No, I mean, it's good to keep.
Well, there's no time to.
I'm fixing to go to sleep.
Let's go to my room. This room gives me hives.
But I want to cuddle with you. But right now, it's just kicking
I love that you
in
get
your
to live
grill.
by yourself at this time in your life. To have everything your taste. Wait, too soon.
Will you go do that for me? Else I'm not going to kiss on
I'm
you.
not. Who? So I am online.
She got it real quick. Oh, baby, you love me? And you want me to be kissing on you and cuddling? Well, if you want that to happen, you better get your ass up.
There's something shady about it. I just think it's so weird. Like, that was like mom's best friend.
Get that ass
And we're
up.
such a Mexico together. Here. This is bizarre. Hearing about Bruce befriending one of my mom's friends is one thing, but seeing him out on dates is just weird. My mom deserves
I
a
love
little bit
her.
more respect.
She does anything and everything for me.
Holistic.
Well, not everything, but
Bruce out.
she'll do anything
My
for
best
me.
friend, yeah?
I love her.
Told me, yeah, that's just weird. It's a betrayal.